name is Range Maria Esmeral from BSN Rep OUM Manila. Today, we'll discuss the concept, organizational context, and the importance of management in fostering an effective workplace, and the 14th Principle of Management by Henry Fayol. Organizational context encompasses the various internal and external factors that influence how an organization operates. It consists of components including procedure, culture, organizational structure, and external environment, since it influences decision-making and affects overall organizational performance. Comprehending this context is essential for developing and implementing strategies that will work. Importance of management. It helps in achieving group goals. It arranges the factors of production, assemble and organize the resource, integrate the resource in effective manner. To achieve goals, it directs group effort toward achievement of predetermined goals. By defining objective of organization clearly, there will be no wasted of time, money, and effort. Optimum utilization of resources. Management ensures efficient use of both human and physical resources. By selecting the best alternative, it maximizes resources utilization, preventing the under-utilization and employing specialists to leverage their expertise. Reduce costs. With careful preparation, minimal input, and maximum output, it achieves maximum result with the at least amount of resources. Management make the greatest possible use of its financial, human, and physical resources, then contribute to cost reduction. Establish sound organization. Management seeks to create a clear organizational structure, preventing overlapping effort and ensuring smooth operation. This includes establishing a hierarchy that clarifies authority and responsibility. Establish equilibrium. It makes it possible for the company to endure in a changing environment. It adapts to ever-changing surrounding. Change in the external environment with the change in the initial organization coordination. Essential for prosperity of society, efficient management lead to better production, which enhance social welfare. Good management reduce waste and improve living standard by generating employment opportunities and fostering innovation. Now, let's explore the 14th principle of management, highlighting common issue and their solution. The first is division of labor. The issue is overlapping roles can lead to misunderstanding and inefficiency, and the solution is clearly defined roles of every employee. Second is authority and responsibility. The issue is conflict may arise from a lack of clarity regarding authority. Solution making sure that authority and responsibility are in line with one another and promote accountability and wise decision making. The third is unity of command. Conflicting instructions. Solution establish a clear organizational structure where each employee has a designated supervisor responsible for their tasks. And the fourth is unity of direction. Issues, divergent goals across department can lead to inefficiency. And the solution is ensuring each employee report to one manager maintains clarity in direction. And the five is equity. Issue discrimination and bias in employee. The solution is encourage program aimed to promoting diversity. Next is order. Issues is poor communication. And the solution is establish a clear communication protocols. Next is discipline. Issues is resistant to authority, and the solution is encourage open communication about disciplinary action. And the next is initiative. Issue initiative is the employee is afraid of mistake, and the solution is encourage an environment where learning from mistake is valued. And the next is fair remuneration. Issue inequitable pay for employee, and the solution is perform regularly pay audit. And the next is stability of tenure. Issue high employee turnovers, and the solution is implement retention strategies. And the next is color chain. Issue lack of clarity in authority. Solution is clearly define roles and responsibility. And the next is subordination of individual interest to general interest. And the issue is employees prioritize personal agenda over team goals. And the solution is promoting prioritize organizational interests and goes over individual agenda, foster teamwork and collaboration. And the next is spirit de corps, can be achieved through unity of command. And the issue is lack of team unity can lead to conflict and low performance. And the solution is developing a feeling of unity within an organization improves cooperation and overall performance. And the last is centralization and decentralization. Issue making slow decision and delay in decision making. The solution is balancing decision making authority between level, empower employees, and encourage initiative to avoid decision making delays. And that's all, and thank you for watching.